Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Oculus gift codes on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your Oculus gift code from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in secure.oculus.com, hit a backslash, type in redeem iPhone or dash, and type in code again, and you can see this site where I'm showing you, and you type the site exactly same on your web browser and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be directed to this page. First, you'll be required to log into your Meta account, either with your Facebook or your Instagram account, or if you have not yet created an account Meta, simply click on set up account with email, or you can just log into your Meta account with your email. But for me, I'll be doing my Facebook account. And after logging into your account, this kind of a page will appear where you'll be first required to enter your code over here, and then after that click on this arrow over here, and then the step where you want to redeem your gift cards on Oculus will be available to you on the next step with all your preferences. And there guys, this is how you redeem your Oculus gift code on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.